Hi, everyone. Welcome to my video on how to get jet in Brookhaven RP. So, guys, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. So, let's start the video. First of all, guys, you need to spawn into the military base to access the jet. So, you can spawn into the military base by using this home button and click on it. And now you have to go to South State. Just click on it. So you can see that it is right now. I don't have access to this. So once you here, you just need to unlock the feature or unlock the premium of this location of this South State. So in by unlocking the features, you will get military base and all the things that required to get the jet. So once you are in the military base, you just need to go inside the building and head downstairs and go to the room with a jet. So if you have a premium, you will see the jet icon on the ground. You just need to click on it to spawn the jet, and if you don't have the premium, guys, you won't see the jet icon. So you will need to buy the premium game pass to be able to spawn the jet. So once the jet is spawned, you can get inside and fly it. Fine. So that's a way. So I don't have the premium, so but I can. I hope I able to explain you how can you get the jet in the Brookhaven. So that's it. That's how you get a jet in the Brookhaven RP. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.